Have you ever wondered why modern metal scrap decoating systems are equipped with a thermal oxidizer and a complete exhaust gas treatment system? The answer is simple: better efficiency, lower energy consumption, and cleaner emissions. During the decoating process, paint, varnish, labels, and other organic coatings are removed from the metal surface through pyrolysis under a controlled low-oxygen atmosphere. Instead of being released directly, the volatile gases generated during this process are sent to the thermal oxidizer, where they are completely oxidized at high temperature. This not only destroys VOCs and reduces odors, but also converts the gases into usable thermal energy. The recovered heat is then reused by the internally heated rotary decoating furnace, creating an efficient heat recovery cycle. By recycling energy within the system, fuel consumption is significantly reduced while maintaining a stable operating temperature for continuous production. After thermal oxidation, the exhaust gas passes through a multi-stage treatment system. A spray scrubber removes dust and cools the gas, followed by a mist eliminator that separates moisture from the airflow. The gas then enters an activated carbon adsorption unit for final polishing, removing any remaining trace VOCs and odors before discharge. An induced draft fan maintains negative pressure throughout the entire process, ensuring stable operation and preventing gas leakage. By integrating an internally heated rotary decoating furnace, a thermal oxidizer, and a complete exhaust gas treatment system, the entire process achieves higher thermal efficiency, lower fuel consumption, stable continuous operation, and cleaner emissions.